What I wish I knew at 12? How to make these irresistible honey garlic wings. First things first, let's get our wings crispy. In a bowl, mix together 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch for that extra crunch, 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. If you like it spicy, toss in 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder too. Now grab your 1 pound of chicken wings. Make sure they're clean and dry, then coat them in our flour mix. Shake off any excess. Heat up some oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Fry those wings in batches for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until they're golden and crispy. Drain them on a wire rack or paper towel. Alright, time for the star of the show, the honey garlic sauce. In a pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 4 minced garlic cloves and sauté for 30 seconds till fragrant. Stir in 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce if you like it hot, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water to thicken the sauce. Now, toss those crispy wings in the sauce until they're well coated. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped spring onions. Serve them hot with ranch dip, coleslaw, or fries. Enjoy these mouth-watering, sticky, crispy chicken wings that will leave you craving more. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below on how your wings turned out. Want more delicious recipes? Subscribe now! Thanks for watching.